In this video, I'm going to show you the AI platform that can give you access to more than 26,000 different types of AI tools, even with the most prominent ones, and it is categorized according to the usage and even the kind of tools that you're going to use. We have free tools, we have by category, by popularity, and so on. You'll be able to have all of that within this particular platform. So this platform I'm talking about is called Toolify AI. Okay, you can access it by coming to tify.co.ai, or you can search for it on the Google and it will bring you over here. Okay, so once you're here, you can see these are the number of AIs that you have all in one place, and these are my tools. You can have my tools and you can see the frequent tools that I use, including Gemini, DeepSeek, Midjourney, Poi, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Grok, and so on. And you can add more also from here with just this plus sign. It is going to help you to add more. So you can search by different categories, depending Perplexity, Claude, Google. You can ask anything and it is going to help you to sort based on that categorization that you've selected. You can see quite a number of different types of AI tools. The categories, these are free by category. Okay, whichever one you want: video and animation, coding and development, voice generation, and so on. You can see so many of them. Okay, and you can categorize directly from here by free tools. You'll be able to see free tools. By products, you can see new AIs, most saved, most used, AI apps, and so on. You can see them of different types, the categories, the ranking by monthly use, sub AI by categories, and so on. For jobs, for research, for you to submit, you can submit your own AI as well for usage for the community to try if you're interested. Now let's try to put this to use by trying something simple. So let's go to let's sort by free products, free tools. So you'll be able to see so many of them from here. So you can choose between the category. If these are free AI tools, if there is paid version, you'll be able to see the money by the side of it. Okay, so let's say image analysis. You should be able to see the number of AI tools. These are the ones that you have. This one is free for free images per month, per submission, up to 3 images and 50 requests per day. You can see the limits, the caveats to each one of them. This is FCP, try for free, and so on. You can see so many of them. You can see image generation and editing also. So many different kind of AI images that so many of them that you can use. I kind of like this one with free pick AI image generator. It gives you up to 20 generations per day. So let's say I've tried this and it took me to the website. It has pipped in that I can check the website and it will log in. So you can open the website directly. This is FreePick AI image generator. I've done that, so let me show you what I've done. I've generated an image. I've asked it to generate the image of a lion in a bar having a chat with a cat, and take a look at what it has given me. You just need to specify the aspect ratio, number of images, and the style and the model, and so on, the effects. And take a look at the quality of what it has created for me. Very, very wonderful and nice. So if you're looking for an AI tool, this platform is a go-to platform. You can download this completely free of charge, and you can always come back to Toolify to have access to different kind of AI tools that are new or that have been in use for some time. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.